before in the past. He's had his asshole stretched by YouTube, full goatee. He's had multiple videos taken down and striked for the most trivial of reasons. And it's mainly because the subject matter, because a lot of his content is investigations and exposing or talking about bad actors online, like a pedophile ring in a game or something like that. And in this video, he talks about that and how he feels like it's a serious problem. He brings in other content creators who have also experienced similar unfair enforcement of the rules against their content just because what they were talking about was darker. For example, bringing up Dan Schneider, the Nickelodeon guy who loved children's feet. He like ran that Twitter campaign of, hey kids, show me pictures of your feet. Haha. So when a content creator has brought up Dan Schneider in the past, they have experienced some problems where there'll be like a strike on the channel or the video gets blocked or taken down or something, and it just feels really fucking weird where it's like, Jesus, does Dan Schneider have foot fetish assassins at YouTube HQ just flipping switches to take down content that calls it out? So the whole video that MonoMax posted basically focuses on this very real problem where when a creator investigates something dark or talks about something that's pretty grim, they're the ones most at risk, not the people they're really talking about. So by just bringing these topics to light, there's been multiple times where they have been the ones to receive a strike or have their content blocked. So obviously for a lot of people, they feel like YouTube just prefers to bury this kind of information instead of trying to help the people that are affected by the bad actors that get investigated. YouTube instead just punishes the people for investigating it, and it feels very unfair. YouTube prefers to throw all this kind of content into a cum dumpster, light it on fire, and forget about it. Clearly a pretty dogshit solution, because if the content's getting taken down, less people know about it, which means more victims. So, a very serious problem. Now, this is where I get involved directly in this whole thing, because at the end of MonoMax's video, he wanted to make a shitstorm. He said he wanted to squeeze YouTube by their balls. He wanted to grab that goddamn nutsack and clap it together like he was fucking Hulk smashing it. So in order to put pressure on YouTube, his solution was to get a viral Twitter trend going. And the Twitter hashtag he chose was Pick a Side YouTube, and the two sides that YouTube has to pick from are either children or pedophiles. Whose side are you on? Good versus evil. The pretty wild ultimatum here. And you thought you had it rough when you had to decide between cereal or coffee for breakfast. Imagine YouTube's situation here. Do you choose the children or the pedophiles? And then he tags a lot of creators, hoping that they would talk about it and get traction there. At the end of his video, he also calls people out to talk about it. And I completely disagreed with this approach here. And I mentioned it briefly on stream, and I stream every single day, twitch.tv/moistcritical. Please feel free to stop in, put a few extra inches on your penis. I'd love to see you in there. I'll put the link in the description so it's nice and easy. I mentioned it on stream, and since then, I've been labeled a pedophile defender by some people on Twitter, or a YouTube shill by others. Which I couldn't fucking believe. I never thought there'd be a day where anyone in the goddamn world would think I stood up for pedophiles when I have an entire podcast of 270 something episodes, almost all of them dedicated to shitting on pedophiles. But anyway, I guess because I disagreed with this silly hashtag, all of a sudden I got out Captain America's shield and I'm putting the pedophiles behind me. Get behind me, boys. I got us covered. I'll take the hits here. But let me explain. I think the pick a side, children or pedophiles, is extremely goofy and distorts the actual message of his video. The message of his video is very much YouTube censors dark content. They unfairly treat people who investigate serious things. And as a direct result of this censorship, it leads to more kids being harmed, more victims, and these disgusting, evil, fucking stinky
All right. Check. Everything looks fine. Okay. So, let me show you where we're at. Let me go ahead and hit play. Okay, so we've got pre-tone, clipper, and post-tone separated into components, which is great. So now I want to put the header in a component. I just noticed. Okay, I thought something weird happened, but maybe it's okay. Whatever. So let's go ahead and do the same thing we did with the pre-tone, post-tone, blah, blah, blah into the header. So we're going to go into Producer, UI components, new component split between CPP and header. Header component. Create files, yes. Save and open in IDE. Very cool. So let's see what we have in, let's see. The pre-tone and post-tone are very simple. So let's get those and see what we need to do. I guess let's take set width and height. Let's get rid of the filler. Get Zoe out of my way. And then we're gonna say this so that we can implement the set width and height. Okay. Anything else? Oh yeah, width and height, of course. Header component. And let's give it the value tree, which we're gonna need at some point. So that will be in here. Also go into the CPP and put it in there. And we're probably gonna need some includes, right? Yeah, params and widgets. Header, right there. Okay, that should be good. Let us create an instance of it. I guess I'll put it at the top. Oh, am I missing something? Oh, of course. Got to include it in the main header file. Header component. There it is. Well, thank you very much, Zoe, for getting the microphone. Very nice of you. Header component. Okay. Okay. Header component. I'm going to go into UI constructor and say add and make visible and do our header component. And we're gonna have to give it, do the constructor. So we'll say header component and we'll give it this audio processor tree state. Very good. So we did at field post component will be initialized after header component. Okay. So let's just put it first so that it stops complaining. That should be good. And then let's take all of the stuff out of the header. So in our case, it's in the window. Background, gradient fill. Okay. Probably gonna be this. Header component, put this in paint. And let's see if we get any errors. Maybe not. So we'll go to the window and we'll also get paint logo and link. Go ahead and take that out as well. And go put that in the header. Footer logo, of course. Okay. So I need the footer and the web link. Okay. So that's in the main header, and that's something that we can move into the header component. So where is it? Oh no, it's in the window, isn't it? It's in the window. So let's say these. Put that into the header. Okay, that fix this. Let's see. Okay, good. The header is gone, meaning that we grabbed everything that we needed to. Okay. So since we did that, let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, cancel. We don't need this. So we don't need this. In fact, do that, and let's take out paint text. Those, and then let's take out those. Okay, make sure that's okay. Very good. Okay. So just like the other components, we're going to go into the resized, and we are going to say header component dot set width and height first. And the set width and height might not be necessary. It's just something that I had tried and it worked. So it might be unnecessary. Maybe I can look into it and kind of think about it and think through it and see if there's if it's unnecessary or not. So we're setting the bounds of the component and the header. So it's going to be 0, 0. And the width is going to be width, and the height is going to be width is going to be, oh, if I go into the component, we can see the height is going to be height times this. Okay. So that means now in the header component, we can go and say set bounds and then just get local bounds, because we already set it, the width and height of the entire component. So inside the component, we can just tell it to be as big as the component is itself. Expected for have one. Okay, well, that's interesting. Oh, it's the wrong set bounds. What? Oh wait, so I guess the rectangle, the rectangle only has one set bounds call. So okay, I think in this case, okay, well, I guess in this case, we're gonna say that and hold up. This is the background for the whole window, so that shouldn't be in here. That should be in window, I think. Okay. Now if I go to header, one thing we could do is that go back into here and say height, and it should be the same now. Kind of weird. Hold up, let's see. UI constructor, header component, set width and height, set bounds at 0, 0, width, height. Maybe I could do this. What if I did, let's see, I can do this to check it. I'm gonna comment out everything. G.fill all. Colors black. Let's see what happens. Oh, I see the issue. Does anybody else see the issue? I got my set width and height method. Ain't nothing in it. That better be all it is. Hey. Oh, there's something right there. Wait a minute, let's see. Am I doing this the way I should be? Header component, set width and height. Okay. Okay. So that means I should do that. Okay. So footer logo, draw image within with the X position, the Y position, the width and the height. So something weird is happening here. Let me do that. I think my width and height stuff is messed up in here, so I'm gonna need to see. See, look at this. Something weird. Something's right here. Maybe. That. And that, and see what happens. Okay, there's the logo. We're good. I think that's it, right? All I had was the logo in there. So let's go and take the menu out of the main. Is that what it is? Sample, yeah. Let's take that out. Header. Oversampling, and then I'm guessing I had. I'm going to take that out for now. I'm going to take that out for now and just do it directly. I need that attach. Uh-huh. And I'm going to have other attachments because I'm going to have the oversampling, the clip type, and the clip color. So those are all going to use combo box attachments, which is good. Got that. That should be fine now. Do I just pass it tree? Yep. Okay. So that's good. And I'll just need to, let's see. We'll take that out. The oversampling thing. Is there an oversampling? Yep. There. Just go into the header, into resize, and we'll put the oversampling somewhere. So oversampling menu dot set bounds X. Let's see. Let's make a right margin variable. Is equal to width times 0.9. And then we'll say we're also going to make a float menu width, which is equal to, I don't know, Let's try times that, and then we'll make a height menu height, and we'll say width times whatever. Okay, so then now we'll say X is going to be right margin minus menu width, and let's see, top margin is going to be, let's see, what's the height of the entire thing? The height of the entire thing is height times 0.08, so halfway would be times 0.04. Okay, then height times 0.02, I guess. Height times 0.02. That's just a wild assumption. It'll be close enough, and then whenever it gets drawn to the screen, we can kind of look at it and fiddle with it. Top margin, width, height, and that should be drawn to the screen somewhere, and we'll be able to see and, you know, make changes. Unless there's a build error. Ah, that's not a period, that was a comma. Ah, another build error, very cool. Ah. Go ahead and take that out. That was the init method that we erased. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, well, here it is. But I can't see it. Is it behind the rectangle? Is that what's happening? Oversampling menu dot, there's like a on top, set always on top. True. Let's see if that does anything. Might want to put that in the constructor. That might not even be the issue. Yeah, I don't think that's the issue. Let me get rid of this header real quick just to see what it looks like. Okay, interesting. So what is wrong? Set text when nothing's selected. Add item. Let's see what happens when I choose an item. happens if I resize the window? Okay. Okay. Something is weird. Look how large the pop-up menu thing is. Okay. I'm gonna take... I'm gonna take that out, put it back into the regular constructor. Oh, but I'll have to also move the... I wonder if it's... Is it just too small? Something is weird. What if... I'm just gonna put it at pixel values. X position at 500, 0, I don't know, 128 and 64. Yeah, okay, so the issue is the scaling that I'm trying to do. Okay, so let's go back and do the... .256 by 64, okay? And make sure that the X and Y positions are okay. Okay. Right. Top margin can probably be that. And then let's make the height, instead of that, let's make it 48. Might need to just make the header a little larger. Problem is if I make it smaller, yeah. Oh no, it'll be fine. We can probably go back. And okay, so the width needs to be, if our width is okay, our width variable is okay. This variable looks okay. The height looks a little... try that. Let's see if this is good. Okay, that's better. Seems like this top margin isn't the greatest. Looks pretty good. Oh, you know what? Where do I want it to butt up all the way against the side? I think I might. Cool. Very cool. Okay, I think that's good enough. So let's make the other ones. There's gonna be two more menus. One is gonna be called clip type, and the other one's gonna be called clip color. So let's make those parameters. Clip type. Okay, so now we're gonna go into here, and it's gonna be the same as quality, but the numbers are gonna be a little different. Clip type and clip color. So let's add the listener part. Oh. Beautiful. Okay. But they are gonna be, the type is gonna have 3 and color is gonna have 3. Okay. So just do that. Make 2 more of these. Oh, very cool. Very cool with the indentation. Okay, so now they are there, so I can make more menus. I can go into the header. We're gonna take this and we're gonna make 2 more of these. Clip type, clip color. We're gonna make 2 more attachments. Very cool. We're gonna go into the constructor and we're gonna basically just make the menus. So here, this one is gonna be clip type. Okay, it's gonna be clip type ID, and it's gonna be clip type menu. And we can copy and paste this clip type menu into all of these method calls right here. Except this one is gonna be clip type. So we're gonna say hard, soft, and then the last one's gonna be analog. Very cool. That should be probably clip type menu attach. That. Is that correct? Yep, looks like it. Okay. And then this is going to be clip color menu attach. Clip color menu. And then clip color ID. Very cool. Put this menu right here. And this one's going to have 3. This one's going to be clip color. It's going to have 3. So it's going to say, what's my first default one going to be called? Oh, transparent. And then vintage and modern. Okay. That should be fine. That should be all they need. And then I just need to place them on the screen. Clip. Let's see. Let's do. It doesn't really matter. Let's do clip color menu. Set bounds. We're gonna have oversampling menu dot get x minus dot get width, and let's see, top margin, width, and height. Very easy. So we can do that for the next one. Clip type, and then just copy and paste this into this, and that's probably all we need. Now they're gonna probably be right next up to each other, so we'll need to put some space in between them. That's pretty simple. Yep, they are right up next to each other. But it looks good, I think. So we got the type. We've got the color. Why is it still? Why is it still lit up? Okay, so we're gonna have some kind of behavior where when you actually get into the pop-up menu, for some reason it thinks that you're still, yeah, it thinks that you're still in the menu. So I don't know, we'll have to figure that out. But anyway, let's put a little bit of space in between them. And I think looking at where the right margin is, we can make space between the same thing. So we can say, oh, you know what? We could just say that and then minus left margin. No, right margin. And same thing. Right margin. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Oversampling menu.getX minus, we got get width and then minus right margin. Is it? I don't think it's plus. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Am I really? Okay, oversampling menu.getX minus. Oh, no, I'm stupid. Okay, this is why I need to make. Okay. Space between. I want it to be times 01. That's probably going to be correct. Yep. And why is this one not? Oh, right mark. Still there. Cool. Very cool. So we need to figure out why whenever you actually click the menu and click out of it, it thinks that mouse is still inside of it. There might already be something on the forum. JUCE combo box thinks mouseEnter still true after clicking off menu. I don't know. mouseExit called almost immediately after mouseEnter. Okay. Wait, can I force? Let's pull up a combo box. And see what our options are. Like, I think I'm gonna look for something like force menu open or force close, or I don't know, something like that. Okay. Oh, you know what I could do maybe? We'll say, so we have a is pop-up whatever. So we could say mouseEnter. We could say if is pop-up. That might do it. Okay. I wonder if I could say on change. Oh, so you know what? mouseEnter calls. What if I say while? I don't think that's going to change it, because the way I imagine mouseEnter working is that it works on like the very instant, so it's not like looping through the lifetime. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't like that. Okay. I might be able to. Let's see. Hold on. Let me just. Well, no, I should put it in the menu class. So if I say, on change. What? I don't know. Does that work? No. Wait, I did something similar to this with file dragging, and I called I had an overridden function, and I was able to call another one. I'm gonna have to open that, but I don't think I can show it on the stream. Let's see. That. If I go here. It was a drag and drop thing. What was this? Oh, I wonder if it's, can I put this keyword? That's what I did for, I'm gonna have to look. Okay, I think I did it twice. There's one for start dragging, which is a isn't this a virtual function? Oh, it's not. Wait, so what's the other one I did? Perform external drag. Files. That's inside of oh, they're not virtual methods. Okay. JUCE force mouse exit. Mouse exit button. I think it's just component. Yeah, component. Okay. Call when the mouse moves out of component. This will be called when the mouse moves off the edge. If the mouse pressed and then it was dragged off the edge and then released. And this callback will happen when the button is released after the mouse up callback. Event details about the position and status of the mouse event, including the source component in which it occurred. If the mouse button was pressed and it was then dragged off the edge of the component and released, then this callback will happen when the button is released. Let's see if that's true. Interesting. So what's happening is it's registering mouse on, and it's not registering it off until you cross the threshold again. There's got to be a way. Okay, what are the other mouse events? Okay, let's see. Oh, this is really far down there. Maybe maybe I should go back because it's gonna be around it. Mouse. Let's go back to mouseEnter on component and see what's around it. Well, the problem with these forums is a bunch of people who are smarter than me talking about smarter things that I don't understand. So, not always. Is that the same one I just looked at? Yeah. Well, look, he said he's trying to call mouse down, mouse whatever. So if I do mouse exit, I don't even know what to pass it. Event? But I don't, but what would that even be coming from? Well, what if can I do this? Okay, so what's my problem? Problem is that whenever... Oh, the problem is... This is what the problem is. I don't know if this is any more helpful, but... Okay, so the mouse exit happens whenever it crosses the, the border of the thing. But whenever you click on it, you cross the border, but on top of another component. Because this is a pop-up menu and it's inside of the combo box. So I could do a timer. What is it? Is it like this? Wait, no, that's not right. Let's see. Void timer callback final. This is correct. Oh, but maybe, hold up. Maybe I shouldn't put it in the constructor. Start timer. Interval, I don't know, a second. And then is there a stop timer? Though. Or actually, let's make it 5 seconds. Stop timer. I think that's all we need to do. So now after 5 seconds, it should go away. Okay. Start timer. Let's try that. What? Oh. So mouse enter, the timer starts. Well, that was 5 seconds. Oh, okay, it stopped. Okay. But it's not actually stopping while the mouse is in there. That's actually good. That works out. So I can turn that down to like 1. It doesn't mess up my regular logic, and if I leave it there, it doesn't stop. If I do this, yeah. Oh, that works. That works out. They actually make it like 2 seconds, and I think we're good. We can leave it like that. And we're golden. Hacking our way through some logic. Putting band-aids on stuff, not bad. Okay. Very cool. Okay, anyway, what's next? We can actually implement the clipping type. So if we go into this and we go input drive, I'm just going to take else out and just make it all ifs for now. I think that's actually what everybody else does. If this is clip type ID, we're going to say switch on new value because it should be an int coming in. Yes, it is. Okay. Case 1. So what did I do? Soft, hard, analog? Like this? Oops. That didn't work. Like that. Might not be necessary. Let's do that. Oh, actually, we could probably just do this. Like that. And what? Oh. Static cast to int clip type, because apparently it's coming in as a float anyway, even though I said int. Oh, great. Okay, apparently I can't do that. What do you mean 2 arguments? Oh. It's actually not set parameter, it's set clipper type. Okay, so if new value there's got to be a better way to do this, but just for now, just want to make sure it works. Soft, hard, analog. Okay, very cool. Let's go ahead and build that and see if it works in Logic. What am I doing? Build. Yeah, let's do one with the oscillator. Cool. Clip type, hard, soft, analog. Ain't doing nothing. Very cool. Let's see. Let me save that. Oh, let's try. This and make sure that this is happening, because if this is not happening, then we know for sure the other code isn't happening. Hard, analog, and we'll do that in standalone. That should work. Soft, hard, analog. So soft and analog are, soft and hard are mismatched. Okay. So now the question is, in here, when I say set clipper type, So it's probably not working right here. So if I take this one, let's go to hard, soft, and then analog. And that. Interesting. Case. Let's see. Something weird is happening. It's kind of making me think that maybe I should just put it in here. Hold up, that's very strange. So it seemed like the analog one worked fine. Something with soft isn't working. K soft clipper, K hard clipper, K analog clipper. Clipper type ID. Clipper type is equal to analog clipper. Oh, it's not gonna let me do that in the debug statement. What about C out? Oh, it's not gonna let me do that either. What's the actual error? Oh. Okay. I think something is off with this. I need to... I distinctly remember having menus where the numbers in the params didn't match up to the menu items. Oh, what's another... the pull tech has... Let's see, the... Oh, it's over here. So if we go... The menu goes from 1 to 5. The parameters go 0 to 5, I think. Oh, Jesus, where is it? 0 to 4. Okay, so, I mean, I don't know why, but flip type, let's do 0 to 2. Doing the same thing. Where's the stereo menu? Stereo menu choice is equal to new value. Oh, I wonder if... You know what? Oh, wait, hold on. Before I move off from that. Stereo menu choice is right here. And then what am I doing? Where am I actually doing something with that? Is it in the process block? Stereo menu choice 0, 1, 2. I guess we could figure this out. Clip type. Let's just debug what we're getting. Go into Clipper, get rid of these. I think it has something to do, I think whenever using like a menu or something, if you put a nested if statement in here based off a new value, it doesn't really work. Okay, but what if I put it back to 1 to 3? Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it might be better to have clip type choice or something like that. So or let's just make it float. And then what we'll say is in the clip type, we'll say clip type choice is equal to new value. And we'll say Well, maybe we could just do it right here. Case 1, and we'll say clipper module dot set clipper type to LV clipper type hard clipper break. Soft clipper, analog clipper. Okay. Let's see if this works. And let's go into here and put these debugs back in and see. Okay. Okay, anyway, they're right. I think they're right. It's just I had them backwards. So I think the logic is actually working now. So let's go and see. Okay, build successful. Very cool. Okay. Clipper type and process block, switch clipper type. Why is this not working? It seems like it should. Let's get rid of that. And let's reinstantiate it. The template. That's definitely the analog one. Okay. I'll get it. Clipper type. Because if I go into the header and change it, I mean, it works. So why would... I mean, the other thing I could do is take this out and go and put this in the process block. bro. I mean, that's not the issue. Yeah, I mean, it's... I don't get it. I'm saying clipper type is equal to clipper type soft clipper. So if I go into here, set clipper type. Oh, wait. I bet, you know what? I bet I need to change what the argument is called. New type. Because I was switching on clipper type, which already had a value. Yeah, I'm dumb. Watch this. It's going to work. Watch this. Boom. I need to do something else with the analog one, like maybe add a filter or something to make it a little more edged or something. Yeah, I'm about to play around with that. Yeah, okay, it works. Okay. And like I said, I am going to... Okay, here's the interesting thing. I need to put this in the prepare to play so that it initializes correctly. So when I go to prepare to play clipper module, this is going to give me an error, of course. Well, I mean, this isn't going to give me an error, but I need to... Oh, is that going to let me do it? Of course it is. Okay. Put it there. And also in the... Yes. And let's have it initialize on something that isn't actually the first one. So it goes... Let's make it initialize on 2. So we'll go here. We'll have to reinstantiate it. So it's on hard. Is that correct? hard is number 1. Soft is number 2. Analog is number 3. That doesn't seem correct because I said 2. What happens if I say 3? Maybe this is why. So 1 would be the middle, which should be the second one. Oh, I'll tell you why. That was on color, not type. Okay. So it should initialize the soft clipper. Which it does. I don't know why the menu isn't showing it, but let's put it on analog and save it. Yeah. That's hard. Yep. I don't know why the menu isn't showing the choice though. It's kind of weird. It's on soft. That's weird. I mean, I've got the attachment. Why is it not initializing to the correct? I guess I will have to do this. Clipper component. No, what am I looking for? Header. I'll have to say. No, not oversampling menu. Clip menu. Menu dot set. I don't know, choice. Set. I just want to set. Dude, come on. Combo box. It's got to be set item. What? How is there no set item enabled? This allows items. Okay, set selected ID. I think I'm gonna do index, and then we'll say, I don't even know, tree dot get raw parameter value clip type ID. Build. What? Okay, cool. Goes to analog, so let's save hard. Oh, it did soft. Okay. That's probably why I always subtracted 1 from that. Let's see. Choice. Need to also do this. Choice type is equal to that, and then switch on that. That makes more sense. That way my clip type choice parameter is initialized. So let's see what clip type choice static cast int. What do you mean? Okay, I'm not even gonna argue. So let's get rid of that. Instantiate it. Nope, that messed it up. Okay. Interesting. So actually, let's put on 1. So do I need to add 1 to it? Oh. Well, no, that might not even matter. That doesn't matter, but it's good to put it in order. Okay, it says analog. That's good. Okay, analog. That looks like analog. If I go to hard and save it. It says analog. Okay, if I go to soft. That's soft. But then the menu didn't pop up. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I think I've messed it up more than I've helped it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Hard, soft, analog. Hard, soft, analog. Hard, soft, analog. Hard, soft, analog. This doesn't matter, but I'll put it in order. Let's see. Oh, I'm in the wrong component. Flip type. Well, you know what I could do? That. And then hopefully I might be able to do this and get around the whole situation of needing an item whenever nothing is selected. Let's go into here. Let's go ahead and reinstantiate it and see what happens. Great. It is not actually choosing an item. Very cool. Doesn't make sense. Tree. Clip type. Clip type menu. It's remembering the correct setting. It's just not putting it in the menu. Like the menu just doesn't look like it's being set correctly. I'm wondering if maybe this value isn't, I'm just not getting what I think I'm getting out of it. Oh, but I'm not going to be able to attach it to logic because some kind of error. Let's see. This prepare method, it shouldn't even affect the menu. The attachment should take care of that. Clip type. Yeah, it's weird. Okay, let's reinstantiate it. And we get flip type. Awesome. I'm gonna set it to analog and save it. And it is on analog. Just the menu isn't, which I guess it's not even a big deal. I mean, you know, it's whatever. Let's make sure, as long as choice number 1 and choice number last initiate or initialize correctly, then everything is all good. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's just some quirk of the menu, something I'm doing. Maybe making it its own component messed it up or something. Although the good thing is that the pop-up menu with matches the menu correctly. Okay. And you know what? I know I pondered it a bit already, but I'm gonna go back into the widgets, into the menu, and turn that back to 1 second instead of 2. And there we go. We got our header component. We've got the clip type changing, initializing, changing, and saving and recalling correctly, which is good. Every time I add a new parameter, I want to make sure the initialization and saving works right then and there, because if you're trying to check everything all the way at the end, it can get annoying and confusing. So yeah. Hope you found that as insightful as I did. I know you saw a lot of big brain stuff, but that's gonna be it for me. Almost 7:30. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.